we will look at the differences between these aggregates. First, you need to remember, see, the difference between gross and net is depreciation. So the difference between gross and net is depreciation. Okay. Second thing, the difference between national and domestic is net factor income from abroad. Or in short form it is called NFIA, net factor income from abroad. Okay, the difference between market price and factor cost is net indirect tax. So these are the three most empirical relationship that you need to remember. One thing more, it is always gross is greater than net, national is greater than domestic, market price is greater than factor cost. Fine. So that is the reason this one is greater than net, and that is the reason when you are subtracting this one you are getting a positive amount, that is depreciation. National is greater than domestic, so you are subtracting domestic from national, so you are getting net factor income from abroad. Market price is greater than factor cost, so you are subtracting factor cost from market price and getting net indirect tax. So these three are the larger factors and these are the smaller things that you need to remember. Now why I taught you this is the reason they will give you this type of questions. Look, let us consider this: GDP MP is equal to NDP FC. Then they will give like this, fill in the blanks. It can come for 3 marks, it can come for 2 marks as well. So look, first thing, GDP MP means what? Gross domestic product at market price. NDP FC means what? Net domestic product at factor cost. Okay. So first thing, you need to find out the difference. First difference is the letter first here is G, the letter first here is N. Okay. So G stands for gross, N stands for net. So the difference between gross and net, we have told the difference between gross and net is depreciation. We will write here plus depreciation. The reason I have written plus over here is that, see, this one is smaller, net is small, gross is larger. So you need to add depreciation in order to get back to gross. Fine. So whenever your right hand side is smaller than this left hand side, then you will add. Whenever your right hand side is greater than this left hand side, then you will subtract. Okay. So net is smaller, so we are adding. So if this is small, then we'll add. So I am writing here, if small, then add. Okay, if this is small, then add. And if this is greater or then subtract. So we are writing here smaller. If this is smaller, then we'll add. If this is greater, then we'll subtract. Okay, so net is smaller than gross, so we are adding up. Now see the next thing. Domestic, these are the same, there is no difference. Product, no difference. Second difference is what? Market price and factor cost. Which one is smaller? Factor cost is smaller, all these things underlines and those things underlined are bigger. Okay, so factor cost is smaller than market price. So if small, we add, then we add. What is the difference between market price and factor cost? What is the difference between them? Market price and factor cost is net indirect tax. So plus net indirect tax. Let us take another example. Suppose it is given NNP MP is equal to GDP FC. There will be three things now. Okay. So look, first difference is this is N, this is G. So this is net and this is gross. Okay. Now gross and net, which one is smaller? Net is smaller, gross is greater than net. So greater than subtract. Put a subtract sign. Now what will you subtract? The difference between net and gross. The difference between net and gross is what? Depreciation. So we are subtracting depreciation. So I am writing DEP in short form, but don't write this exam. Okay. Second, see, this is domestic and this is national. Okay. So which one is smaller? Domestic is smaller than national. Fine. Now if small, then we what do? Then we add. We'll add what? The difference between national and domestic. The difference between national and domestic is net factor income from abroad. In short, I am writing NFIA. Fine. Now P and P should be always same. Okay. Second thing, third thing actually. See, this is factor cost and this is market price. Now factor cost is smaller or greater than market price? Factor's cost is smaller than market price. See, these smaller things are not underlined, greater thing is underlined. Factor cost is smaller than market price. So if factor cost is smaller, then what we'll do? Add. So you just need to know whether the right hand sides are smaller or greater. If smaller, then add. If greater, then subtract. So factor cost is smaller than market price, so we add. We'll add what? The difference between them. The difference between them is what? Net indirect tax, which is in short form written NIT. Fine. Let us take one more example. Suppose it is given NPMP, or let us assume NNPFC is equal to GDPMP. Now you try to do this on your own. So if you can't, then I will assist you. See, look, this is net and this is gross. Okay. Now gross is greater than net. So if it is greater, then we subtract. What we will subtract? The difference between net and gross. The difference between net and gross is what? Depreciation. Fine. Second thing, this is national and this is domestic. You need to look, the right hand side is domestic. So domestic is greater or smaller than national? It is smaller than national. So if it is smaller, we will do addition. So we will do addition what? The difference between national and domestic. The difference between national and domestic is what? Net factor income from abroad. NFIA. Fine. P and P should always remain same. P and P. Then what is the factor cost and market price? The right hand side market price is greater or smaller? Market price is obviously greater than factor cost. See, this is underlined. So this is greater than factor cost. If greater, then we will subtract. We will subtract what? Market price minus factor cost is net indirect tax. We will subtract net indirect tax. NIT. Fine. And just remember one more thing. See, NIT, net indirect tax. This formula you must memorize. Net indirect tax is equal to indirect tax minus subsidy. In order to do next level problems, we will require this relationship. Net indirect tax is equal to indirect tax minus subsidy. I hope this is clear. If you have any confusion, then you can just again watch this video and you will get to know.